Let's crochet the flower. Make chain of 6 for the foundation ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round. Make a chain and work with single crochet, and I will remove the yarn. Make 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm done 12 single crochet. I'm about to complete this round. Insert the hook into the single crochet. Make slip stitch. My round is ready. Let's crochet round 2. Let's start the next round. Chain of 2 to bring up the yarn. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the single crochet. Make double crochet. Then chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook and make double crochet into the next stitch twice. Make the first double crochet not finish. Then make the second double crochet not finish and pull through loops on the hook. Then chain of 3. Make the first one, make the second one and pull through. Then chain of 3 and so on. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete this round with me. I'm about to complete round 2. I skip the chain stitch. Insert the hook into the top of the double crochet. Make a slip stitch. My round is ready. And let's crochet a round of petals. It is going to be unusual petals. And let's make the first petal. Work into the chain space, make slip stitch. Then chain of 5 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Then yarn over the hook 3 times. Insert the hook into the same chain space. Make double treble crochet stitch 1, 2, 3, and 4. And make single crochet around the double treble crochet stitch. For this, chain of 3 for the chain space. And make single crochet 1. In total it should be 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Insert the hook into the chain space, make single crochet. Let's stop and look what I have done. This is the beginning of my petal. Then chain of 7 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn the work. Insert the hook into 3 chain space. Make single crochet. Continue 1, 2, 3 chains. Turn the work. Work into the chain space. make 9 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. And single crochet into the next chain space. Continue. Make chain of 10 for the chain space. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn the work. Insert the hook into 3 chain space. Make single crochet. Chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn the work. Make 12 single crochet into this chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I am done 12 single crochet. Insert the hook into the same chain space. Make single crochet. I already did single crochet into this chain space. Here what I have at this point, and I continue. Then chain of 13 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I am done 13 chains. As I did before, insert the hook into 3 chain space. Make single crochet. Then make a chain. Turn the work. Make single crochet into the single crochet. Then chain of 3 for the picot. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into 2 loops of the single crochet. Make a slip stitch. Work into the chain space. Make single crochet, then single crochet with picot. In total it should be 7 stitches with picot. And after the last single crochet with picot should be single crochet. And let's count. Then single crochet with picot. Then single crochet without picot. Then single crochet with picot. And single crochet. Single crochet with picot. And single crochet without picot. Make single crochet, chain of 3, then single crochet. Let's stop and count my picots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I just need to do the last one. Then chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Make a slip stitch and make single crochet without picot. Let's stop. I straight up my picots. And let's check one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's correct. Make single crochet into the next chain space. Insert the hook into the next chain space, make single crochet. And my petal is ready. And now I show you how to start the next petal. Continue. Make a chain. Work into the chain space, make slip stitch. And let's start the next petal. Chain of 5. To bring up the yarn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over the hook 3 times and make double treble crochet stitch into the same chain space, and so on. And keep working in this way till the end of this round. You should work in the same way as I showed you the previous time. In total it should be 6 such petals. Then I will show you how to complete this round with me. I'm done the last petal, and now I show you how to finish my flower. Once I have made the last chain stitch, I insert the hook into the slip stitch that I did on the beginning of this round and make a slip stitch. To secure the yarn by making a chain, I already cut off my yarns and pull it. I turn the work and I will remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the flower. And let's stop and look what I have done. So my 6 petal flower is ready. Here how my flower looks like when I am done. My unusual flower consists of 6 petals. For this project you can use one color of yarn or variegated yarn or leftovers. All information about the tools, kind of tools and useful links could be found in the description of this video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, comments and likes under my videos. It could be perfect like a separate motif, or it could be part of big projects, such as Irish or Decor laces. See you next time and bye!